We are going to Tajikistan to try some amazing food in this video. Let's start.
I just can't get over how amazing it is. Ta-da! I've literally finished all of it. It was really, really delicious. I am officially a fan of Tajik dinner.
Welcome to Tajikistan, where we will be exploring some amazing food. We'll be doing some tours of markets to see what is different when it comes to Tajik food and how it's different from other Central Asian countries. There's a lot to eat. It's generally not a spicy food kind of place, but there's a lot of variety. There's a lot of meat. If you are a vegetarian or vegan, you will have problems, I'm telling you in advance, because meat is like in everything. So let's start this beautiful journey together. Here's a little tip for you. If you click on that subscribe button, it will bring you some more amazing travel destinations. Most of them you haven't even heard of, I promise you. So subscribe now.
Good morning! Breakfast here has usually been pretty standard affair, fried eggs, some fruits, etc, etc. But this one is quite special. We are at near Bolonko Lake and we're trying something completely different that I've never seen before. So this is a rice porridge made of yolk milk. And then we have a yogurt that's made of yolk milk as well. I'm gonna try this and it's actually really nice. It feels special nice because it's so cold outside.
So we were taking some photos when a few gentlemen stopped on the jeep to check, how things are. They're very nice. Everyone says hello here. So they told us that we must have lunch with them. There's a little celebration in the village and they insisted, and why would I say no to, to get an experience their daily life. So that's where we are. It's a really small village and they are the nicest, sweetest people. Honestly, Tajiks are amazing. So hospitable. So if you ever get an opportunity like this, just take it. But if you want to leave them some money, it is an insulting thing to offer it up front. Just give it to the kids for some candy. So that's the way to do it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do as well. Honestly, it's a little touching because my grandfather used to be like this and it reminds me of him. And it's just a very nice thing to experience here. And I'm really grateful for that. Yeah, let's go get some food. That's what you call the feast. We stayed there for a couple of hours and in the entire time the food just would not stop coming. We were so full by the end of it. My favorite was shorbo, which is a soup which has some potatoes, some meat, and it was so delicious. Much better than any restaurant we've tried it, and you will have it pretty much every day in Tajikistan, I promise you. No matter what you do, you cannot avoid plov when you are in Tajikistan. It is quite different from the other types of plov because it usually has carrots and it's very close to the Kabuli plov. It's absolutely delicious. It's usually a lunch thing and you can find it some places in the evening as well, but that's not very likely. And it's quite heavy, so I would recommend saving it for dinner. Also, don't forget to try some green tea with it. Don't drink cold drinks with it because it's quite fat heavy and yeah, you're not gonna enjoy it later, I promise you. I've had it pretty much every day the whole time I'm in Tajikistan. I just can't get over how amazing it is. I am sitting and eating the national dish of Tajikistan, which is Qurtob. By the way, the tea comes with anything and everything. This is what Qurtob looks like, and it has a bunch of everything, including yogurt, veggies, You just dip, and it's basically like a communal plate. This is for 2 people, and then you just interesting flavor, especially because of yogurt. And you can have it with the meat or without the meat. So I'm trying the one that's without the meat because I want to try this. So this is a little bit like roasted meat. It's called goosh, and if you eat it with onions and a little bit of bread, it's amazing. But I want to try both of them together. Let's see what this is like. It has a little bit of that hunter beef touch, but it's much softer than hunter beef. Okay, I really like it. You have to try Qurtob whenever you're here, and please do not ask them for fork and knife. This is how you're supposed to eat it, and it's actually really nice like this. Ta-da! I've literally finished all of it. It was really, really delicious. But I didn't bring you here just to tell you that I've finished my food. It's about this clay they eat Qurtob in. It's called tabak, and it's made of wood. And they say, the longer you use it, the better it becomes because it adds the flavor to Qurtob or anything you eat, because they also use the same thing for shorba. Amazing. The easiest street food you can have here is a sambusa. Time to give this sambusa a test. I got the chicken one. Let's see what this is like. So it has like some onions and some chicken, etc., etc. Give it a taste test. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm used to the South Asian style samosas. I prefer a little bit more spice. But the difference is, in Central Asia, they don't fry these. They bake these. I think I'm going to give it a try, but I think I would prefer the either meat ones or the veggie ones. You cannot miss these dinner, dance, music shows, and these are the typical dinner events here. They're not dull at all, and there's no one dancing for you. Actually, people who are eating, they would get up. When the music starts, they would dance a little, then they would go back and eat. Let me show you what I'm talking about while I go eat a little bit of my food before the music starts again. I am officially a fan of Tajik dinners. They're amazing. They're so fun and they're so live, and you get to meet new people. Everyone was so friendly. They made us feel so welcome. And yeah, I danced a little. I mean, a 3-legged cow could do it better than me, but I did it. I tried it because I didn't want to be rude, and I actually wanted to dance a little as well. It's really nice. I am sitting in Serena Khorog, Pamir restaurant, and I'm here for 2 really interesting dishes. This is Pamiri kebab, and this is made with yak meat. Comes with some rice, and this is the second one, which is a yak casserole. So yak is something that's a specialty in this region, and yeah, sorry about this bit, I'm actually drooling. It smells so nice. So without wasting more time, let's give it a try. I like that it's very colorful. It literally melts in your mouth, seriously. Time for this one. So the thing with yak meat is, because they live on such high altitudes, the meat is generally quite hard, and it takes quite a lot of time and effort to get through it, basically. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, I definitely like this one more. It's really nice. The flavor is gone like all the way through. I'm gonna finish this and see you at the next stop. Tajikistan is amazing when it comes to fruit. And what's the best way to try them? Literally just grab off the tree and eat one. I'm gonna wash this first though. So there are plenty of gardens, farms outside the cities, and they're really nice about you coming in, picking some fruit, trying it, and they don't even charge you for it. But please be nice, always leave them some money, because I don't feel good about it otherwise. I will take you to the market and we will see some more, but this is one experience you definitely don't want to miss. I promise you. It's also super beautiful, really serene and calm here, and you also get to meet some cute animals. Why not? I am in Mehergaon market, which is the biggest, I believe, in the entire country. And this is a treasure trove if you want to understand little things that are different for Tajik culture. This is one thing that I definitely want to try, and this is melon wrapped around dried grapes. I'm gonna try this because I've never seen it anywhere before. I like it. I really like melon, so okay, don't miss this, seriously. Tajikistan is insanely beautiful, but this incredible country requires some careful planning. So I've created a playlist that gives you all essential information to get to this beautiful country and have an amazing time. So click on the link above and check it now. I got something that's also I've never seen anywhere else before. This is called chakka, and it is basically anhydrous yogurt. So they remove as much water as they can, and then they have something else. This is called, it's a little ball, but this is actually dehydrated yogurt. Dry yogurt, literally dry. And this is what they also use in their national dish, Qurtob. It's a little bit of an acquired taste, especially the dry one, but that one I really liked because it has this really thick consistency and it's slightly had that tangy flavor, which I really like. Got myself two things that are absolutely amazing. This I've never seen or tried before, an absolutely red, beautiful pear. And my favorite, the figs, but the red kind. These ones are quite different because the ones you get generally are quite big and they're more purple, but these are red. So let's bite it and see. Oh my God, it's so nice and sweet. I can eat figs all day without getting bored. All right, time for this. So juicy, look at that. It's literally dripping out of my hand. This is really amazing. I need a bit more concentration for this because everyone's looking at me like, who is this idiot eating in front of a camera? I think I'm done with the market here. There's a good 1 hour that I spent here, and I will meet you outside there. So, which of these foods did you like the most? For me, honestly, it is the social aspect of things that makes it really nice. Like all the communal eating, the dancing, having fun. That is an amazing thing that I really enjoyed. I don't think I've enjoyed a dinner as much before as I have here, especially all the dancing part. So I had a great time eating here. Do let me know what you would like to try, or if you want to know some recipes. You'll probably have to Google them because I don't know how to make any. See you later. This is Brown Boy Travels. I really hope you like this video. Do let me know in comments what you think. Please do add me on Instagram and TikTok. I do post some pretty cool stuff there as well. I will see you in another beautiful destination in the next video. Until then, you have a lovely day ahead. Bye.